So as a base for my big tripods or my smaller Eagles, I always use this aluminum plate that I had made. It's 1/4 inch by 8 by 8 inches, and that gives a good footing so that when you're setting the tripod on the ground, it doesn't sink in. But then if I want to use both the large telescope with this big heavy mount and tripod, and I also want to use my Eagle, I've been using some wood, but I thought I'd come up with a better idea of what you can actually use than this aluminum, because aluminum's gotten real expensive. I wished I had more of these made way back when I had these done. So I'm going to show you what I'm using now. So I thought about using cutting board. From Myers, these were $11.99 each. They're 11 by 14 inch. They're a hair over 1/4 inch thick. And they don't bend. And unlike wood, if they get wet, it doesn't matter. You can just wipe them down, just like the aluminum plate. It does not absorb and hold the, like wood would hold the water. You'd have to let them dry out for a while. And both sides have this fine textured, like bubbled surface. They've got the built-in handles, and they're extremely lightweight. This weighs a whole lot less than that aluminum plate. So here you see the Eagle tripod on those 11 by 14 cutting boards. The Mach 2 and a 130 GTX holds it just fine, no issues. And then with the larger 175 and the 1600 and the ATS 12-inch pure, I have the aluminum. And I dare say, I don't know whether or not that cutting boards would work on that big scope setup, but I'm just going to keep it with the aluminum on that.